Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold made a perfect setup today, nice impulsive engulfing down, wave A, one wave, or really 3 waves up, wave B, and most likely this is a wave C. Went down and rejected structure, which is another really good sign that was a good trade. 3 waves down when the trend is up on all the higher time frames, which I still think this is a wave 3 of 3 on the weekly and monthly, which is why it's been such a strong impulsive uptrend. Now, I actually think there's a good chance it could go up to the 138.3 Fibonacci extension, which is a higher time frame daily extension level, which is right around the 2440 area. Now, I do have my retracement level, my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, because these could be areas of resistance or areas of support, so definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. But it looks to me like an end of a correction, and most of the time what happens at the end of a correction is it goes up, takes out the previous high, and finds another support or resistance level, which for me is the 138.3 Fibonacci extension. So don't forget to join the free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out the membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thanks and happy trading.